I've just made it across, albeit through all the algae. Off you go, boys. Go on, Fal. I can't see it from here. I'm going in. Yay! That's what I was like.
You have to go mad as well.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Well, yeah. Potentially nice and dry. Okay. Get the fuck out of the way.
I don't know if you want to round that algae or plough straight through it. Are you rounding it?
Yeah, man.
It was fucking hard work going straight through it. Get shallower from there, you're alright, you'll start coming up, that's it. Brilliant.
Good work, pal.
Yeah, one went in my shoe.
Wow, they're clean, pal.
It's fucking mad when you first drop in, it's deep as fuck, innit?
Oh, nearly on my arm.
Yeah, yeah, because the ground ain't great, is it?
No. Job's a good one. I'm glad it's nice and warm today.
And that, boys and girls, is how you spend a Saturday morning. Boop boop.
Oh, cock, he didn't take his fucking
Boop boop.
belt.
Oh no! It's warm enough.